Hi there, this is Fixed It. Another great use of the Capsulier Lite is when you have one of these. Toddlers or small children love chewing the aluminium capsules of the Nespresso, and generally that won't go in a machine. It certainly won't work, it'll just get crushed and jammed, and you're left with waste if you get a few of these. I recently had the dog get hold of a box of capsules, but the result was something that looks like this. With the Capsulier Lite, what you can do is you can take a simple knife and make a cut in the aluminium foil, and then tip the coffee. Go. Let's just get all that in there. That's it. So tip all the coffee into your Capsulier Lite. Shut the lid. Put in the cartridge. Okay. And now, if you just bring your arm forward, give it a bit of a wiggle, and then back. And then what you can do is you take out your capsule, like that, and put your top on. Put it in your coffee machine. Oops, I forgot to fill up the water. Press your button. And you get a fantastic cup of coffee from what was previously a broken capsule that you may otherwise have thrown away, which saves quite a bit of money if you get damaged capsules. So another great use of the Capsulier Lite. Just add some milk to this, give it a try. Great cup of coffee. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.